Hello and welcome to this video on alternative investing. In today's world, investing is no longer limited to stocks, bonds, and real estate. Investors are looking for new and innovative ways to grow their wealth and diversify their portfolios. That's where alternative investing comes in. Alternative investments refer to a class of assets that are outside of the traditional stock, bond, and real estate markets. These can include investments in art, wine, classic cars, cryptocurrencies, and much more. In this video, we will explore the world of alternative investing, the potential opportunities and risks, and how you can get started with these types of investments. So, sit back, relax, and let's dive into the exciting world of alternative investing. Diversification is a strategy that seeks to distribute your investments among various types of assets, with the aim of reducing the overall risk of your portfolio. Rather than concentrating all investments in a single asset class, such as stocks or government bonds, diversification allows you to have exposure to different types of investments that react differently to economic and market factors. Including alternative investments in your investment portfolio can be an effective way to diversify your portfolio and mitigate risk. This is because alternative investments can offer differentiated returns from traditional assets and, thus, help to balance the overall performance of the portfolio in different market conditions. Unlike traditional investments such as government bonds or stocks, alternative investments can provide sources of passive income or rapid appreciation, depending on the chosen strategy. For example, real estate investments such as real estate trusts or rental properties can offer regular passive income to investors. Cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin, can show rapid appreciation in short periods of time. While these investments can offer unique return opportunities, they can also be complex and present specific risks. Therefore, it is important that investors are well informed about the characteristics and risks of different types of alternative investments before investing. It is advisable to look for reliable sources of information and study the subject before deciding if it is suitable for your investment portfolio. Also, it's important to consider that some alternative investments may be more suitable for some people than others, depending on their financial situation, goals, and risk tolerance. Therefore, it is important to seek help from investment professionals or financial advisors before making any investment decisions. As with any other type of investment, diversification is important to minimize risk and increase the stability of the investment portfolio over time. Investing in various types of alternative investments, such as real estate, cryptocurrencies, art, among others, can help reduce the risk of a single position significantly affecting the investment portfolio. Furthermore, diversification can also increase the chances of earning positive returns in different economic scenarios. However, it is important to highlight that diversification alone does not guarantee positive returns or protection against losses. It is important to carefully evaluate the risks and characteristics of each alternative investment before including it in the investment portfolio. Investment professionals and financial advisors have the knowledge and experience to help investors assess the risks and opportunities of different types of alternative investments. They can offer personalized recommendations based on an investor's financial goals, situation, and risk tolerance. In addition, they can help diversify the investment portfolio, evaluate new investment opportunities, and monitor the portfolio over time. However, it is important to choose reliable investment professionals and financial advisors with experience and a good reputation. It is recommended to do some research before making any decision. Before investing in any type of alternative investment, it is important to understand how it works, what risks and opportunities are involved, and whether it is suitable for your financial situation and goals. This can include researching the investment's history, its performance over time, its liquidity, regulation, and other important aspects. In addition, it is important to be aware of the fees and expenses associated with the investment, as well as how it fits into your overall investment portfolio. Financial education and knowledge are key to making informed and conscious investment decisions. It is important not to make investment decisions based on hearsay or pressure from others, but after careful and well-informed evaluation. Alternative investments are becoming increasingly popular globally as investors look for new ways to diversify their portfolios and maximize their returns. In recent years, the popularity of alternative investments has grown in both developed and developing countries, with more and more people recognizing the potential benefits of these types of investments. In some regions, alternative investments are seen as a way to hedge against economic and political risks, while in others, they are seen as a way to access new and potentially lucrative markets. As the demand for alternative investments grows, so too does the variety of alternative assets available to investors. This includes everything from real assets such as infrastructure, commodities, and real estate, to financial assets such as hedge funds, private equity, and venture capital. Each region has its own unique set of alternative investment opportunities, reflecting the local economic and political conditions. The growth of alternative investments globally can have significant implications for the global economy and financial markets. For example, the increased demand for alternative investments can lead to higher prices for these assets, as well as increased competition among investors. This, in turn, can have an impact on the broader financial markets, as investors seek to diversify their portfolios across different types of assets. In conclusion, alternative investments are a class of investments that include assets other than stocks, bonds, or conventional real estate. These investments include, but are not limited to, investments in art, wine, classic cars, cryptocurrencies, and more. Always remember that investing in alternative investments carries risk and is not suitable for all investors. It is important to make a careful and well-informed assessment before deciding to invest in any type of asset. Financial education and knowledge are key to making informed and conscious investment decisions. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button below the video and subscribe to join us on this journey.